हेलो फ्रेंड्स, हाउ आर यू? कैसे हो आप? आई एम शरद कौर, आप सभी का आज के वर्चुअल क्लास में स्वागत करता हूँ। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू कंटिन्यू द फिफ्थ चैप्टर ऑफ आवर एट साइंस, दैट इज इनसाइड द एटम। एंड टुडे इज द फिफ्थ वर्चुअल क्लास। वी आर गोइंग टू कंडक्ट द फिफ्थ वर्चुअल क्लास ऑन दिस चैप्टर। आज हम इसी चैप्टर में का फिफ्थ वर्चुअल क्लास कंडक्ट कर रहे हैं। And in this virtual class, we are going to learn the difference atomic number and atomic mass number. In the last virtual class, we have seen the definition of atomic number. Also, we studied about the subatomic particles in an atom. Which are the subatomic particles in an atom? Tell me. एटम के सब एटॉमिक पार्टिकल्स कौन से? Yes, atom has three subatomic particles, that is proton, second electron, and third that is neutron. Which charge possess on each particle? Proton possess, or proton have a positive charge particle, electron have negative charge particle, and neutron is chargeless particle. Okay, atom is made up of two parts. Which are the two parts? First one nucleus and second one extranuclear part. What is by nucleon? Means which two fundamental particles are included in nucleus? Which two fundamental particles are included in nucleus? That is proton and neutron, and both together called as nucleon. Whole mass of atom is concentrated at its nucleus. Therefore nucleus have a positive charge. nucleon जो होता है वो positive charge present करता है, and extranuclear part represent the negative charge. Then we also, what is the symbolic representation of proton, electron and neutron? Protons are denoted by P plus, electrons are denoted by E minus, and neutrons are denoted by only N. Why? Because neutron is a chargeless particle. There is no any charge remains on the न्यूट्रॉन. न्यूट्रॉन पे कौन सा भी चार्ज नहीं होता. इट इज अ चार्जलेस पार्टिकल, इट इज अ न्यूट्रल पार्टिकल. ओके, व्हाट इज द यूनिट ऑफ एटॉमिक मास? एटॉमिक मास का कौन सा यूनिट होता है? द यूनिट ऑफ एटॉमिक मास, दैट इज डाल्टन. व्हाई? एटॉमिक मास ऑफ यूनिट हैज गिवन अ डाल्टन. एटॉमिक मास का यूनिट डाल्टन क्यों दिया है? बिकॉज डाल्टन वाज द फर्स्ट साइंटिस्ट who successfully studied about the atom. एटम का सक्सेसफुली फर्स्ट साइंटिस्ट जो है, जो जिसने एटम के बारे में सक्सेसफुली स्टडी किया, दैट इज डाल्टन. एंड देयरफॉर बिकॉज ऑफ हिज ऑनर यूनिट ऑफ एटॉमिक मास इज गिवन एज डाल्टन. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट टॉपिक टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू कंटिन्यू, दैट इज एटॉमिक नंबर एंड एटॉमिक मास नंबर. Let's name of our chapter. What is the name of our chapter? That is inside the atom. Inside the atom. Okay. And which concepts today we are going to learn? We are going to study. कौन से concept आज हम study करने वाले हैं? That is atomic number and atomic mass. First, atomic number and second atomic mass number. Atomic mass number. Okay, what is atomic number? We know atom has two fundamental particles having equal in number. Which are the two fundamental particles having equal in number? That is proton and electron. therefore the number of proton or the number of electron in an atom is called its atomic number. Yes, repeat it. The number of proton or the number of electron. Why we mention here the word or? Why we not consider only atomic number of proton? Because whatever the number of protons in an atom, but same number of electrons are also including there, including in an atom. एटम में जितने प्रोटॉन्स होते हैं उतने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स भी होते हैं, therefore इलेक्ट्रॉन्स का नंबर आप कंसीडर करो तो भी आपको एटॉमिक नंबर मिल जाएगा. If you consider the number of proton is also atomic number. If you consider that number of electron, we also get the atomic number. Therefore, what is the definition? The number of proton, the number of proton or the number of electron or the number of electron in an atom is called as atomic number. An atomic number is denoted by capital Z. Atomic number is denoted by capital Z. Atomic number, and it is denoted by capital Z. Now, what is the atomic mass number? Tell me which are the two fundamental particles situated in nucleus. एटम के न्यूक्लियस में कौन से दो फंडामेंटल पार्टिकल्स होते हैं? टू सब एटॉमिक पार्टिकल्स आर सिचुएटेड इन एन nucleus, in the nucleus of an atom, that is proton and neutron. Therefore, the total sum of protons and neutrons, total addition of protons and neutrons, proton and neutron का जो addition, जो nucleus में जो particles है, addition of these two particles is called its atomic mass number. The addition of the total sum of proton and neutron into bracket P plus N. Total sum of proton and neutron in the nucleus, nucleus of an atom is called atomic mass number. Atomic mass number is called atomic mass number, and it is denoted by capital A. It is denoted by capital A. Atomic mass number is denoted by capital A, and atomic number is denoted by capital Z. Okay, atomic number is denoted by capital Z. Atomic mass number is denoted by capital A. Now you have some textual questions on the page number 32. आपके टेक्स्ट बुक में 32 पेज नंबर पे कुछ टेक्सचुअल क्वेश्चंस दिए हैं. प्लीज आंसर दिस क्वेश्चंस. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, आई रीड इट. हाउ मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ सब एटॉमिक पार्टिकल्स आर फाउंड इन एटम? हाउ मेनी सब एटॉमिक पार्टिकल्स आर फाउंड इन एन एटम? ऑब्वियसली आपको आंसर आना चाहिए. व्हिच आर द थ्री सब एटॉमिक पार्टिकल्स ऑफ एन एटम, और व्हिच सब एटॉमिक पार्टिकल्स आर फाउंड in an atom? What is the answer? क्या आंसर आएगा? 3 subatomic particles of an atom: proton, electron and neutron. Okay. Second question: which subatomic particles are electrically charged? Tell me, which subatomic particles are electrically charged? कौन से subatomic particles electrically charged होते हैं? And which charge possess on that particle? Atom has 3 subatomic particle. Okay, atom में 3 subatomic particles होते हैं. उसमें which particles possess a charge? कौन से particles पे charge होते हैं? चार्ज होता है प्रोटॉन. प्रोटॉन is a positive charge particle, electron is a negative charge particle. And what's the charge about neutron? न्यूट्रॉन के चार्ज के बारे में क्या है? न्यूट्रॉन is a chargeless particle. Neutron do not have any charge. It is a neutral part. न्यूट्रॉन क्या है? न्यूट्रल पार्टिकल है. थर्ड क्वेश्चन: which subatomic particles are present in the nucleus? Tell me the position of the particles and which particles are present in the nucleus. कौन से particles nucleus में होते हैं? Yes, which particles are present in the nucleus? That is proton and neutron. And those particles are present in the nucleus. Addition of that two particles in the nucleus. Nucleus में जो particles होता है, the total sum of the two particles in the nucleus, that is proton and neutron, together is called as atomic mass number. Fourth question we have given there: where are the electrons revolve around the nucleus place? Where are the electrons revolve? Electrons are revolved around a specific orbit according by Niels Bohr. Niels Bohr stated that electrons are revolved around the nucleus in a specific orbit. He stated that orbits are stable. And electrons revolve around the nucleus in a specific orbit. That orbits are in the manner of concentric circles. Orbits क्या होते हैं? Concentric circle के manner में होते हैं. Okay. Now this is next topic. Atomic number and atomic mass number both has their symbolic representation. Atomic number is denoted by Z and atomic mass number is denoted by A. Now symbolic representation of atomic number and atomic mass number. Next topic: symbolic representation. Symbolic representation. Representation of A and J. I write here in short A and J. Symbolic representation of atomic number and atomic mass number. Okay. Now, if you want to represent the atomic number and atomic mass number of particular atom, आपको किसी भी particular atom का atomic number and atomic mass number represent करना है, you can represent it as a symbolic manner. Then we have the symbol यहाँ पे symbol, and at the top of the symbol we have to write atomic number. ये सिंबल और सिंबल के टॉप में हम क्या राइट करेंगे? ए, दैट इज सॉरी एटॉमिक मास नंबर, एटॉमिक मास नंबर, and at the base, at the left side of the symbol we have to write atomic number. Okay. A, it is the symbol of any atom. किसी भी एटम का यहाँ पे सिंबल होना चाहिए. At the top of the atom we have to write atomic mass number, and at the base of the symbol we have to write atomic number. Only hydrogen is a single element Hydrogen is a single atom which do not have neutron. हाइड्रोजन एक ही ऐसा एटम है जिसमें न्यूट्रॉन्स नहीं होते. रिमेनिंग ऑल एटम्स हैव न्यूट्रॉन्स एक्सेप्ट hydrogen. Suppose you have given the question, the number of carbon, atomic number of carbon is 6 and atomic mass number of carbon is 12. देखो, atomic number of carbon is 6, atomic mass number of carbon is 12. How can you represent it in the symbolic manner? देखो, carbon right here, carbon symbol C, okay, atomic number of carbon is 6, atomic mass number 12. Z atomic number denoted by Z, atomic mass number denoted by A. Then how can you write the symbolic manner? देखो, symbolic manner में हम कैसे राइट करेंगे? What is the symbol of carbon? C. Okay. At the top we have to write atomic mass number, therefore 12 the atomic mass number, and at the base of the symbol we have to write atomic number. And what is the atomic number of carbon? 6. Therefore symbolic representation of carbon. In this way we have to write symbolic representation. Means this symbol belongs to carbon. This 6 is the atomic number of carbon. And this 12 is the atomic mass number of carbon. Okay. Now, if we want to find the how many number of electrons in this carbon, में कितने electrons होते हैं? Suppose this 6 belongs to proton. ये जो 6 है, क्या 6 belong करता है? P और E. Okay, and this 12 P plus N. तो देखो, 6 means number of protons and 12 is proton plus neutron. तो obviously this proton means number of 6 यहाँ पे protons है, एक 12 से minus करो, you will get the number of neutron. जो atomic mass number होता है, in atomic mass number में से you should remove the number of protons, you will get the number of neutrons. So how many number of neutrons in the carbon? Carbon में number of neutrons कितने मिलेंगे? You will get the number of neutrons in the carbon, that is 6. Now you have some use your brain power. You have given some actual questions on the page number 32 in the textbook. आपके textbook में 32 पेज नंबर पे you have given some questions, textual questions. कुछ textual questions आपको पूछे गए. You have asked textual questions. You can write the symbolic representation. First textual question I read it. पहला textual question मैं read करता हूँ. Then you can find the answer. You can write in your textbook the answers. आप लोग ये textbook में भी वो आंसर राइट कर सकते हैं. First textual question. The symbol used for oxygen is O. What is the symbol of oxygen? Symbol of oxygen is O. Oxygen का जो symbol O. Then there are 8 protons and 8 neutrons in its nucleus. देखो symbol O, symbol O, P8, N neutron is also 8. Okay. What is the symbol of oxygen? O. Proton number of protons are 8, number of neutrons are 8. Means both if added the number of proton and the number of electron, means we get the atomic mass number. Atomic mass number. What is the atomic mass number of oxygen? That is 16. What is the atomic mass number of oxygen? 16. Why atomic mass number of oxygen is 16? Because it is the total sum of proton and neutron. And what is the atomic number? Atomic number means the number of protons. Okay, then how can you write this in symbolic manner? Symbol O, at the top there A, at the top at the base Z. We can write symbol O. And what is the atomic mass number? That is 16. And what is the atomic number? Atomic number is number of protons. And what is the number of protons? 8. Therefore, you can write the symbolic representation of oxygen, that is in this form. Second question, atomic number of carbon is 6. How many electrons are there in a carbon atom? Atomic number of carbon is 6. देखो, atomic number of carbon is 6. Atomic number of carbon is 6 means Z is equal to 6. What is my atomic number? Number of electron or number of proton? Tell me the number of electrons in carbon. Obviously it is 6. And number of protons are also 6. Then next question, a sodium atom contains 11 electrons. What is the atomic number of sodium? Sodium atom contains 11 electrons. Means sodium has 11 electrons. Means sodium has how many number of protons in sodium? Sodium also number of protons are 11. And what is the definition of atomic number? Number of electron or number of proton. Therefore, what is the atomic number of sodium? Atomic number of sodium is 11. Next question, the atomic number and mass number of magnesium are 12 and 24 respectively. देखो atomic number magnesium. What is the symbol of magnesium? Magnesium symbol, that is Mg. Okay, atomic number of magnesium is atomic mass number of magnesium is 24 and atomic number of magnesium is 12. How can you write in the symbolic manner? तो यहाँ पे symbol होना चाहिए. What is the symbol of magnesium? Symbol of magnesium is Mg. We have to write at the top, that is atomic mass number. And what is the atomic mass number of magnesium? Atomic mass number of magnesium is 24. And at the base of the symbol we have to write atomic number. And what is the atomic number of magnesium? 12. Therefore, this is the symbolic representation of magnesium. Next question, fifth question. The atomic number and the mass number of calcium are 20 and 14. देखो calcium या फिर राइट करता हूँ calcium symbol Ca, the symbol of calcium. Atomic mass number, that is 14. Atomic mass number is P plus N, proton plus neutron. And atomic number of calcium is 20. Atomic number means P or E, number of P proton or number of electron. देखो, the atomic number and mass number of calcium are 20 and 40 respectively. Deduce the number of neutron. How many number of neutrons in the calcium? So calcium में number of neutrons कितना होगा? If we want to find the number of neutrons is equal to number of neutron. आपको if you want to find the number of neutron, you should make the subtraction between atomic mass number and atomic number. Therefore, A atomic mass number minus Z atomic number means 40 minus 20 means the number of electrons in the calcium are 20. तो calcium में number of electrons कितने मिलेंगे? 20 मिलेंगे. Okay. Therefore, very simple representation आपको आपके एग्जाम में you will given the number of electron or number of proton, number of neutron, and you have to draw the structure, symbolic representation of that particular element. आपको structure दिए electrons और protons का number दिया होगा and आपको क्या फाइंड करना है? स्ट्रक्चर ड्रॉ करना होगा. ओके. Now, very atomic number and atomic mass number is very important concept यहाँ पे. How we write it in the symbolic manner. Today we will discuss about it. Sorry, we have discussed about it. आज हमने इसके बारे में डिस्कस किया है. In the next virtual class, we will continue the next topic, and that is distribution of the electrons according to orbits. Okay. If you like this video, share it, like it, subscribe my channel, press bell icon. That is why you will get the notification of latest videos. Thank you.